Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn in how to use Microsoft Planner in Outlook. Okay, so the first thing that you do here is you just have to open or log into your Outlook account. Okay, so once you're here, just click on your home option right here. That's right. Okay, and then the next thing that you are going to do here is to simply click on this arrow. Okay, and then here you have new email, new event, or new group. So I'm just going to create a new group right here. That's right, and then I just have to give this group a name. So here I'm just going to name this one as sample 1, sample 2. That's right, and then click on this create option. That's right. So just wait for a couple of seconds and then you just have to add here your members. After adding your members, you just have to click on the add option. That's right. And then just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so we have this one right here. So just simply click on it. That's right. Okay, so let me just close this section. So now right here on your group, just simply click on this planner option. That's right. So just wait for a couple of seconds and then you will be directed to your planner account. Okay, so right here you will then just have to add your task. So here we have the grid view, the board, and then the schedule section, as well as the charts. So let's just go to the board section. So we can now start adding our task right here or add a new bucket. So for example, we have here interview, and then you can set the due date for this one. Say for example, next week. That's right, and then you just have to assign this to someone. After that, you just have to add this task. So we have this task right here. And then to see the details of this task, you just have to simply click on it. And then we have here now the name of this task. So we can add label for this one. Okay, so I'm just going to select blue. That's right. And then for the bucket, of course, it's under to do. And then for the progress, let's select in progress for this one. That's right. And then for the priority tag, I'm just going to label this one as medium. Okay, so for the start date, let's say for example, it starts tomorrow, and then the due date would be next week. Okay, and then you can add here now your notes. So you just type here a description or add notes. That's right. And then here for the checklist, so I'm going to add item right here. And then to add your attachment, just simply click on this one. You can also leave your comments in this section and then click on send after that. Okay, so we have now the updated details for this task. Okay, so let's add a new bucket right here. So what is the name of your next bucket? So for example, second phase. That's right. So you just have to click on enter after that. So just add here now the task for this interview. So let's say for example, this is now the second phase of your interview. So you just have to give this a name. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to label this one as sample. Okay, so just have to click on add task, and then to add the details or to customize the details for this one, just have to simply click on it. Then again, I just have to add here now your details. Okay, so see for example, you are done creating your planner. You can also change here the view. Okay, so this is how it looks like for the schedule. So we have this one right here, so we can see the duration. And then for the charts, so this is how it looks like because we only have two buckets. Okay, now to share this planner, just have to simply click on the share option right here. That's right, and then click on the group option. So you just have to select your group so you can share this planner to your group. So you just simply click on it, and then it would be directed to your contacts and to your group. So for example, you want to send it right here, so you just have to simply click on it, and then it can now add here your planner. Okay, so going back here on your planner, I mean in your Outlook. Okay, as you can see right here, we have this planner, right? You just have to simply click on it so that you can create a new planner. So again, say for example, if you would like to create a new event, so just simply click on the new event option, and then you would be directed here on your calendar. So here on your calendar, you just have to give this event a name. Okay, for example, what kind of occasion during holidays. Okay, and then you just have to invite here your attendees. That's right. And then just have to add here the location. So of course we are going to select online meeting for this one, and then you just have to add here now your description or instruction to the people that you are going to invite. Okay, and then here we have the duration of this meeting. So for example, 1 hour before, and then you just have to categorize this new event. So for example, orange category. That's right. And then for the privacy, I'm just going to public this one. And then if you would like to create scheduling pool right here, you can add attendance first, so you can ask them this schedule. Okay, and then after that, you just have to save this one. So just simply click on the save option. Okay, so here when you go to the event section, you'll be able to see here now your event. Okay, and then I just have to simply click on it so that you can also share your planner. So basically, using the Microsoft Planner in Outlook, it gives you the advantage of managing all your tasks and schedules in one place. So by syncing Planner with the Outlook, you can see your assigned tasks and due dates right inside your Outlook calendar, making it easier to stay organized without switching between apps. It helps you track deadlines, get a clear view of priorities, and manage both emails and tasks in a single workplace. And then, of course, this integration saves time, reduces missed deadlines, and improves productivity since everything you need is already connected within Outlook. And of course, the integration supports teamwork because tasks assigned in Planner automatically reflect in Outlook, so allowing you to coordinate better with your colleagues while keeping your personal schedule aligned with group projects. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.